meters. And then we have their uniform service load, but it says it's total, so that means included as
So,
okay, so you have your 20 plus you have your 36. So if we were going service pa man, so we need to calculate the holiday loading, which is equals to 1.2 times 20 plus 1.6 of
36.
36. Ilan ang siya? 21.6 kilonewton meters. So we're going to apply this here. We have your 21.6 given per second. This is 4 meters. Okay? And it says there that it is reinforced for tension with 628 millimeter diameter bars. Okay, and the beam has a cross section of 400 by 800 now. Okay, the siya rectangle na may short nasa drawing. And the cover is mentioned that it's from the Alpinian fiber up to the centroid of the rebar, which is 70 millimeter. Now, as for the tension zone, so this is cantilever. That's why the tension zone is nasa ibabaw. It's a cantilever, and it's arranged in this way, theoretically speaking. Although I don't think that will fit in actual, because sana siya 20 input, 20 kV plus na tayo minimum dali na 25 mm. Para lang siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 28 nakikubit nung ka 28 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 limang ka 25
123 sir.
293 ang singlet plus 0 pa 20 plus 80 dahil total
393 sir.
390
393 sir.
393 total
O sir.
Siko ba okay. Parang 25 mm is what na siya napamagtubig ini mga general sa tiyo. So inaktuala na ako na siya durang na layer. But anyway, siko pa man din siya as per recommendation. So we have there 6.28, and then it also says that it is reinforced against shear using 4 ligands tera. So pagka TA, so that means na pa siya interior na one still properly hold the rebars in place, which means that these 4 legs here will contribute to the resistance of your BS. Okay, and then sa inyong BC, the resistance should come from the concrete itself and it is tension force. Tapos sa muna naman siya doubly reinforced. Yes, correct no, but for shear, our consideration is for the tension force only. So this no, medyo simple. Kaya nilagay na si doubly reinforced. Mas tignan shear. Kaya in fact, we will be using a detailed calculation. The steel ratio there, W, is only for the tension reinforcement. So one, dili na to, nag-crack. Okay, so this is the tension compartment. Dili yan, wala siya failure, dili na sa compression. That's why tension na may consider for the calculation for our sleep. Okay, so 21 megapascals for the compressive strength of concrete. We have there probably grade 16 steel for the main bars, and then grade 40, grade 40 for the steels. Okay, and then we are again going to use the detailed calculations for our beams. Okay. So what we need is the maximum allowable spacing. Okay. And you can get that spacing in the equation. Okay. Ds is equals to area of shear, y of shear, dd over s. Okay. Ano ba? S no ba? Before we can compute this, we need our dm, dc plus, correct ba ni? pt? Walay? Walay d. Okay. Walay d, magtira na. So this is bs, and then if you want our feeder, we have bc plus bs. Now for our bu, this one we can get this value here sa critical section of bu, which means that prior to solving to any of these things here, we need your shear diagram. Or if you want, pwede naman diretso sa equation. Pero, sa our shear diagram, simple na shear diagram. Kaso lang, you have second degree curve for the movement. No? So, medyo puti na siya if you're going to use geometry. So, what we put choice natin na you have to use the equation. So, what's the reaction? This one? And this one also, the reaction. Pero this is of course second degree, no? Which means if you limit yung parabola, if you are going to use the geometry. Again, for the critical section of your shear, that is located at a distance given sa face sa inyong support. Which means that it should be around somewhere here, this point for your shear. Okay. For shear, you can still do portion. But for the parabola, we are going to use the moment, by the way, the detailed calculation. There's a term there na na-IBU over area. Hindi ko samay. Try to look at it in a while. Okay. So therefore, our approach here, I think it would be easier if we're going to cut sections. This is 652.8. This one is 826.4. This one here is 81.6. And then the length here is 730 or 0.730. Ayan na, tira. This is your D in this case. Baliktad lang because it's cantilever. This is our D, so this is 0.7. No? So D is equals to D is equals to 326.4 minus 1.6 times 266.83 here. And then, ito na lang pa ako ng CMU because we're going to need it later. Now, for detailed calculation again, you're going to need the MU. MUs are the same critical section. So, in this case, kung atong found in the rate, found natin na at distance D. That's the equation from our MCP. So, kailangan nito. MU is 326.4 times 0.73 minus na minus na ako dito sa mayroon 652.8 minus 51.6 times 0.73 times 0.73 divided. Negative 428.28. 428.28. Okay. We have our PU already, so we need our BC. Right? BC plus BS. We already have our PU. We know that the reduction factor is 1. Also, now we need partition. This one is using detailed calculation. So detailed calculation would tell you that by 4 kila? 436. 436 point?
Balik ka.
0.27. Pila? 428. 428 dito. Magnindigan din siya. 436.
436 po ni sir.
0.11. No. Amat tulugikan. So 436.27. Okay, so 436.27. Okay, so the you can calculate later on in our calculations for the using even calculation, you can remove up the negative side. The negative side is for the positioning of our lamp. Okay, so for detailed calculation, it says in our code that BC is the minimum of three the equation. And the equation? 0.16 lambda or times 12. The lambda is of course the one siya normal weight na concrete. We have square FC prime plus 17 plus 17 rho W times BU D over MU. Ano na siya ito? BU over MU times D. Times? How many times? Times BD ba yan? BWD or BD or particular lang. And then ang isa is similar lang. Hindi siya nawala. Okay, so again sa atong code, ang limit niya ay ratio man siya no, between your shear and your moment. So ratio man siya sa lapat is of lapas 1. So max here is 1. Mawala siya. It's actually the second term. You have this one plus 17 OW lang. Tapos BD. So basically natin naniwala na 1. That's why hindi siya masuk. And then the third one is 0.29 lambda of FC prime square of FC prime. Okay, so this and you're going to consider the least amount or the minimum value of those. And again, in BU is of the same vertical section with your LU. So,
21. Lambda na naman.
how much? By the way, the rho W is your steel ratio. Ano siya na? For tension. Steel ratio of tension na reinforcement. So that's actually ES over BD. So the total area of our steel is 6 times 5/4 h squared. You can do that, but you can fill it first. The let's put it here. ES is equals to
Oh.
5/4 h squared times 6. Diba?
3694.
694. 51 square. So, plug that in here. D is 0.7. Just be consistent with the units here. Okay lang siya na din i-convert. Cancel out naman niya.
0.012.
Salamat unit here should be Bman. So yeah, this should yield 2 newtons and then divide by 1,000 left para may mo EN. So EN. How much? It's somewhere 242
Ay,
PN.
First.
First.
Ay, naman yun lang. Ilan lang taga nila? 1 ba?
Ay, by the way, ito na siya. Still ratio nila. So, kanang is, i-divide pa na sa OBD. Kasi kung ano yung dito.
So, divide by
OBD.
hours.
So, ako na rin siya. Still ratio equals to 3694.5 divided by B, which is 400 by 7, should be around 0.012. Dapat 242 0.14, okay. Ang isa, wala alam niyo. Yung calculate. Para masolve niyo. Hindi na may namalan. Kita ang full na one elevation. Para sa 0.12 1265 for our elevation. BUD ba? BUD. BUD. 276. Di makuha.
Divide pa nila eh.
6.
Divide pa nila. Divide pa nila.
It's what? 21 and 61. Yeah, it's in the parenthesis. This one is yeah, so sa parenthesis siya na kaya 276.9. Gawas din ni CBD. Gawas siya. Tama. 276.9. How about the other one? Siya one again. 388. Yeah. 388.
Dili na mo ako oy. Sa na niya. Nagkabubuang mo.
So the list value daw. Ano na rin? This one? 242. Let's try to compare that with the simplified. So sa talayo. Sa itong simplified. 0.17 of lambda. Sa matis. So pareha na. Kina siya? 227. Okay. Ayun siya na. Ayun siya na. 227. Anyway, mag-ginagay pa natin. So let's use this for our basic. Yeah. practice, you can use 2. That's one. So, pili siya i-practice. Ako, katorang simplify. Gamay na 4. Ako ba yan? Okay, so this one. So we now have this one. So we can now compute for our VS. So what we have is the VU. So sa amin na VU is 1.75 of we have our VC. VC is 242.14 plus 0.75 of VU is 266. So therefore VS is equals to
Pwede no kung sir, napamilag na sa Diyan lang. Yes.
Divided by 0.75 equals siya 242.14 bilan.
Hindi ko lang pinapawala.
Ipay.
Ay, sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Dili na ginawa ang kanang first na kuan sa BIM.
Di makuha.
Kanang 240 bitaw, sir.
Kailangan hindi siya i-convert ang BUM times 1 million ay hindi siya concept.
Ratio man.
KN, so ang isa ay BNN. Makuha yun.
Correct. Yung unit ng sakto. I-name man dito. Yeah, you have to convert it. So, convert it siya. Sakto ako. Pwede na siya kinin mo inyong millimeters. 0.713 para di na ba 1,000 square something. Pwede siya mo Iya ko mo. plus PBS. Naman tayo DU. So our PBS is equals to DU minus PBC. Okay, and then we have our BU equals to 266.83
na to?
minus 2.75 of 242.48.
85.225.
Perfect.
So si PBS is equals to, ako na ito ganina, i-divide pa mo siya rin yung no? Aparay na ito siya. 85.22 or 25, yeah. 225. This is in EN. Okay, so you have your PBS, so PBS, yeah, so if you're going to divide that with 0.75, mao to kanina, na mura din yan. Nalipat ko sa iyang PBS. Okay, so we can now use our equation for our spacing. So, ilan din siya kung i-divide? We have PS is equals to area sa shear minus the shear P over S. So the S now is to the cross multiply. We have our BS. BS man is so therefore ito na divide sa 0.85. So correct? Ilang 100? 0.63. Yan. Okay. So ilabalik. Area of your stirrup is 4 man siya kabuok. So area 4V is equals to 4 times 5 over 4 10 squared. So cancel yung 10 pi squared. So pagkabok again, you have this one. Nothing here should be going there. Wala na eh?
14.16.
0.16
Yes, sir.
square millimeter. Nakuha na ninyo nito. Okay na ba?
Ano pa na, sir?
Okay na? Okay. We have our, ito, 314.16 times 275 times 730 over, this one is in PM, so that we divide by 1,000. 113,630. S is equals to 555.0. Oh, tuloy. And we'll answer. We answer it. Let's try the one. So this is in square mm, those square mm, so many yung to millimeter mabilis divided by di siya 1,000 here yan may mo na newton so mabilis 555 yun 555 so that's why we need to check our S max because 555 mm, imagine niyo, that's 0.55 meters, so 1 meter is like that. Patulong spacing. So sa 4 meters, only 2,
Divide by flexibility.
nara ang 1. So nara diri yung first na po. Stirrup. So that's very big. That's why we need to check our S-max. Kaya may buka. Check. S-max. So ito S-max.
BS is greater than 0.33 square root at
Ah,
times.
siya na. So, taas-taas pa yun. Pinaya ko yung isa na.
Natural value of BS is less than 8.3.
Moto na siya yung D over 2 o 600 aray. Here na. So, check. Max, we have 0.33 square of x prime.
DB
BB.
minimum pay
Sa mani? Less than?
greater.
Greater than BX.
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal.
Greater than or equal to BX, we have
D over 2 or 6. Ay, four, four, one. Four hundred 41.8.
pinaka
441.58, sir. 58, yes, sir.
greater than your, what's your BX?
113.63.
So, kung greater than,
One, sir, D
D
over
over 4. D over 2.
Sir, or 600. Next, when D over
Ah, yeah, yeah, D over 2. So, this is lesser than, lesser of, minimum of D over 2 or
600.
600. Amen. So, D over 2 is 730. Over 2. Ilan? 2? 365 versus 600. So, this one. So, S max is 365. Yeah. How get it? 365. So, the answer is S max allowed is 365 millimeters. So that's actually in the critical section. Okay, why is that?
Burn 365 days.
Naka-contribute
1 year.
is kanang upat manggod siya kabuo. No? So of course, dako siya. Upat man.
Yes.
So kung dako iyang capacity, so pwede siya hindi tayo suksok. So that's the one. And then we still have asa niya nagamit ng ES. This one, 40 sa PC, di ba? Hindi, no? Sa yung still ratio, so takot na muna siya na. So that's why ako area. So it doesn't need a very close reinforcement for your shear. But in reality, murang ako mahatod po ang space dito. Kaya kang deliver na ba ito ng 4 meters? Imagine yung 4 meters na deliver sa taas na. This one is 0.3 na siya. 4 divided by 0.3.
13.30.
13 o 14 ka times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 times.
And relate to square.
14 times. Asa tama. Ini. That's very long. Pinakataas na kung na-construct cantilever is 2.5. At nagka na kayo tuwi na something taas na siya of deflection. So 4 is very kung ano siya I would have a very closely spaced na stirrup that movement to counter the shear. Shear force. Gamay. Gamay.
Puro naman engineering. Naka-inspired.
Anyway, so that's the idea.
I'll be the best engineer in the
So
world.
it so happened lang na nagpo kayo Iliana class at there. Have upat.
Once are you at your own risk?
I mean, isa kada ko mas tira, isa kada ko mas tira, ibutangan kami sa so that contributed to its spread. That's why the maximum spacing is 365. Questions? Questions? So simple naman ang shear, kanila yung magsugod. Yung magsugod. Just we have to identify kung inside it yung sorbo. But in most cases, baka siya nung feeling. Unless kung given ang spacing, if given ang spacing, then you can solve right away for your shear. I mean your BS. The shear strength of your steel. It's a lot.